relationship changed because the dosing couldn't be as robust as we maybe wanted it to be initially, but we also learned from consumers, well, there's a lot of other stuff that's directly applicable to an app like this that we can include, and we can manage HIPAA and other privacy issues by how we store data, how we collect data, things like that.
Along those lines, and with the privacy concerns and angles that you had to go through, you know, what kind of came up there? What surprised you? What did you learn in that whole process?
Quinn probably felt the most with that.
Yeah.
You learned more than you want to.
I learned, yeah. I think one of the biggest challenges that we ran into was really from a sort of user interface perspective, and it was twofold. One, it's how do you build an app that has enough disclaimers to make the legal department happy, that somebody can still see a button without having to scroll 5 pages. And then also, you know, healthcare regulations, sometimes, you know, as much as it has a history and it makes a lot of sense and it's there for a purpose and a reason, from a consumer's perspective, when you step back and put yourself in their shoes, it means that you've got some business rules that make 0 sense to an end user. How do you still make that a friendly experience? How do you still make it something that people feel like they're getting value from when sometimes a consumer might try to go down a path or ask a question that goes to the, you know, your doctor can print this information out and just hand it to you, but we can't. And that one was sort of the elephant in the room throughout the entire app and throughout the entire design and implementation process. Is we had 1 or 2 regulatory constraints